While many companies are struggling to stay open during the coronavirus pandemic, a local woman's business is thriving. She is selling a superfood that could help boost your immune system. News 5's Jesse Schultz introduces us to Cleveland's Health Junkie.
Elderberry syrup has been shown to lessen the severity of your sickness and shorten the amount of time that you're sick. So for Health Junkie, a wellness food company in Cleveland that makes elderberry syrup, the pandemic provided a pretty big boom in business. And it's a one-woman show behind the product. Nicole Lazar says a few years ago, she found elderberry supplements in the stores were high in sugar. So she began to make her own syrup for herself and her family.
I got to work on my stove, and 3.5 years later, here we are. I didn't expect it to turn into what it did at all, but a lot of people really rely on it now.
It's not a supplement, just a simple syrup made from elderberry, local honey, and no additives. But many people swear by it to keep themselves feeling good and their immune system strong. So much so that her business that started at home now is on all the Ohio Heinen's store shelves.
Elderberry in general is really good to have on hand. I can feel that little tickle in my throat that I'm about to get sick. Then I'll be taking that same spoonful every 3 hours or so, and usually whatever it is just disappears.
Lazar says normally cold and flu season is a busy time for her. But once coronavirus hit, her production increased sixfold because the more popular, well-known elderberry products went out of stock fast, providing a good opportunity for her small business.
At that point, who's going to supply Cleveland? And really, it was Health Junkie that kept elderberry syrup on store shelves and Heinen's and elsewhere, focusing on Cleveland, making sure people could get what they needed there.
To get your hands on Health Junkie, you can go to your local Heinen's or order some from her website. I have a link to that on our News 5 app. Reporting in Cleveland, Jesse Schultz, News 5.